Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today let's see a different recipe on Bittergourd. Ingredients are Bittergourd chopped like this into small pieces, and then we need garlic, just one garlic, and peel off the skin. Don't crush the garlic. Then you need chopped green chili and jaggery. I used like two bittergourd, one jaggery for two bittergourd, and then also ginger, which is chopped. You can use even two jaggery because I don't like much. I'm not like I don't like like much of the sweet taste. And then we need tamarind that is soaked in water. And then what you do is, please mix all these ingredients with the bitter gourd and pour the tamarind water into it along with the jaggery, and then boil it. Boil the bitter gourd. You can just keep checking with and pour more water also. So it takes 5 to 10 minutes, and add turmeric powder, then chili powder, and also some salt to it. You don't have to fry or anything. Please just close the vessel and boil it well. Season it with mustard seed, fenugreek seed, and curry leaves using coconut oil. This is a very tasty curry. It is also known as Pulinkari in Malayalam. It has got a mixed flavor of sweet, sour, and hot, and spicy. So you can have it with rice. It gives a very good combination, especially with sambar or any sadhya. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.